workshop was fun. Asra did a great job. My mom was able to just sit with us since we had to switch dates. The paintings turned out nice. Asra was a great host. A relaxing, creative afternoon in Istanbul with Benjamin and the whole family. A fun list to take home afterward with the artwork. I didn't know what to expect, but I was extremely excited. I messaged the establishment on Instagram the day before the workshop and they were so accommodating and friendly online. That made my anticipation even more pronounced. The instructor, Benjamin, was so kind and easygoing. He encouraged me to try different colors and to take my time. I stopped focusing on being perfect and started enjoying the process. We joked and drank tea and coffee while enjoying the calming influence of painting. Thank you, Benjamin, for your guidance. I would recommend this activity to anyone and everyone. It was lovely. Just FYI, it's an upstairs studio above a cafe. There are no signs that say, Istanbul Experiences Workshop, so I was quite dubious about whether I was in the right place. I learned not to doubt my Google Maps and asked for assistance from the citizens in the area. They were really helpful. Thank you for existing, Istanbul Experiences Workshops. I attended a glass painting workshop on my friend's recommendation. I was nervous because it was my first time at a workshop, but it was a very friendly, warm, and fun atmosphere. I had a wonderful day and I will definitely go again. A special thank you to Mr. Bunyamin for his support. The place was very clean and tidy. Mr. Bunyamin, who served us, was very friendly and attentive. We went with our friends for a different experience and left very happy. I'm definitely planning to go again. If you also want to have a different experience and unwind with your friends, you should definitely give it a try. It was a wonderful, fun, and friendly atmosphere. My friends and I participated as a group. We had so much fun. It's a must-do for weekend therapy. The attention, care, and workshops were amazing. I also had a great time at the perfume workshop. This one was fantastic too. Looking forward to seeing you again soon. This was a place I'd wanted to visit for a long time. The atmosphere was truly wonderful and everyone was so attentive. I will definitely be back. Thank you so much for everything. I had a fantastic time at Bunyamin's stained glass workshop in the heart of Istanbul. His clear guidance, creativity, and friendly approach made the experience both relaxing and inspiring. Further, the atmosphere in the historic building was absolutely amazing. I left with a beautiful handmade piece and great memories. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a unique and hands-on artistic activity in the city.